Introducing the new Matrix SuperSync Refresh service. Every service starts with a thorough consultation. What are your client's hair goals and what is their hair color history? Today we're doing a single process with SoColor at the root and the new SuperSync on mid-lengths and ends. Clean sections are very important in every color service. Section the hair down the natural part and to the nape. Here, we're using SoColor 5cg with 7cg equal parts with 10 volume. After applying color down the part, pivot from the crown, taking vertical sections, working your way towards the front. Notice the neat and targeted application. Once the SoColor has processed for 30 minutes without heat, shampoo and towel dry the hair. For the SuperSync Refresh, we're going to thoughtfully section the hair. A disconnected diamond section in the crown is used, then alternating triangles for the remaining hair. Diagonal sections in the hair create softness and blend. Start by applying 7cc plus to the back section. Notice the formula is kept off the roots as they were just colored. Take consistent subsections, working your way up the head. On to the diamond in the crown. Apply the other blended formula of 8cg and 10g with 10 volume. Working your way forward, continue alternating the two formulas. Process for 20 minutes without heat. Rinse well and condition the hair. Look at that gorgeous copper dimension. To recap our steps, use a mix of SoColor 5cg and 7cg with 10 volume. 30 minutes, no heat. Then, refresh the mid-lengths and ends with SuperSync 7cc plus with 10 volume in one triangle and alternate a mix of 8cg and 10g with 10 volume. Absolutely beautiful.